जय श्री माता जी। सुबह के सत्र में आपका स्वागत है। 8 मार्च 2025 5:30 बजे मॉर्निंग सहयोगा मेडिटेशन प्रतिष्ठान पुणे से प्रसारित का पुनर्प्रसारण हम आपके लिए करते हैं। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। जय श्री माता जी। आइए शुरू करते हैं मॉर्निंग मेडिटेशन 8 मार्च।
जय श्री माता जी। ऑनलाइन उपस्थित सभी भाई बहनों का सुबह के सामूहिक ध्यान सत्र में हृदयपूर्वक स्वागत है। शीश झुकाकर श्री माता जी को वंदन करते हैं। चित्त को सहस्त्रार पर रखते हुए सामूहिकता में कुंडलिनी चढ़ाकर वंदन लेते हैं। चित्त को अपने हृदय में लाते हैं। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, आज का ये ध्यान सत्र शुरू करने की आप हमें अनुमति प्रदान करें। 3 महामंत्र, तत्पश्चात श्री गणेश मंत्र। नाड़ी संतुलन करने हेतु अपना दाहिना हाथ धरती माँ पर रखते हैं। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, हमारे ईड़ा नाड़ी को स्वच्छ शुद्ध कर लीजिए। हमारे ईड़ा नाड़ी पर जो भी बाधक तत्व है पूरी तरह से भूमि तत्व द्वारा निकाल लीजिए माँ। दाहिना हाथ गोद में, बायां हाथ आकाश की ओर। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, हमारे पिंगला नाड़ी को स्वच्छ शुद्ध कर दीजिए। हमारे पिंगला नाड़ी पर जो भी अतिरिक्त उष्णता है, अतिरिक्त बाधा है, पूरी तरह से आकाश तत्व द्वारा निकाल लीजिए माँ। बायां हाथ गोद में, अपना संपूर्ण चित्त मध्य नाड़ी पर लाते हैं। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, हम सामूहिकता को पूर्ण संतुलन प्रदान करें। हमें मध्य मार्ग में स्थित कर दीजिए माँ। हमें वर्तमान में स्थित कर लीजिए श्री माता जी। हम सामूहिकता में श्री महालक्ष्मी तत्व जागृत कर दीजिए, कार्यान्वित कर दीजिए। धीरे से चित्त को मध्य मूलाधार पर लाते हैं। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, हमें श्री गणेश जी जैसा अबोध बनाइए। हम सामूहिकता में श्री गणेश तत्व जागृत कर दीजिए। श्री गणेश साक्षात। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात श्री गणेश साक्षात श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। धीरे से अपने चित्त को अपने शक्ति के पास लाते हैं। मूलाधार में स्थित कुंडलिनी शक्ति के पास लाते हैं। हे माँ, जागृत हो जाइए। हमारे सभी चक्र को निरंजित कर सहस्त्रार पर विराजमान हो जाइए माँ। श्री माता जी, आप ही साक्षात कुंडलिनी शक्ति हो, आप ही महालक्ष्मी हो। कृपा कर हम सामूहिकता को पूर्ण संतुलन प्रदान कर दीजिए माँ। धीरे से चित्त को मध्य स्वादिष्ठान पर लाते हैं। श्री माता जी, हम सामूहिकता में श्री ब्रह्मदेव सरस्वती की शक्ति जागृत कर दीजिए। धीरे से अपने चित्त को मध्य नाभि पर लाते हैं। श्री माता जी, आपकी कृपा से हम संतुष्ट है, समाधानी है। हम सामूहिकता में श्री लक्ष्मी नारायण की शक्ति जागृत कर दीजिए। धीरे से चित्त को मध्याह्नाद पर लाते हैं। श्री माता जी, आपकी कृपा से हम निर्भय हैं। हम सामूहिकता में श्री जगदम्बा की शक्ति जागृत कर दीजिए। धीरे से अपने चित्त को मध्य विशुद्धि पर लाते हैं। श्री माता जी, हम सामूहिकता में श्री राधा कृष्ण की शक्ति जागृत कर दीजिए। हम सामूहिकता को साक्षी भाव प्रदान करें माँ। हमें विराट का अंग प्रत्यंग बना लीजिए। श्री माता जी, हम सामूहिकता का विशुद्धि चक्र संतुलित कर दीजिए माँ। धीरे से अपने चित्त को मध्य आज्ञा पर लाते हैं। श्री माता जी, हम सामूहिकता में क्षमा भाव प्रस्थापित कर दीजिए। हम सामूहिकता का आज्ञा चक्र खोल दीजिए माँ। हमने खुद को क्षमा किया, हमने सभी को क्षमा किया माँ। कृपा कर आप भी हमें क्षमा प्रदान करें माँ। धीरे से अपने चित्त को सहस्त्रार पर स्थित करते हैं, स्थिर करते हैं। श्री माता जी, हम सामूहिकता को निर्विचारिता प्रदान करें। हमारा आत्मा साक्षात्कार दृढ़ कर दीजिए श्री माता जी। हमें पूर्ण संतुलन प्रदान करें माँ। कुछ क्षण इसी स्थिति में रहते हैं। इसी ध्यान की स्थिति में श्री माता जी के अमृतवाणी को आत्मसात करते हैं। आज की अमृतवाणी है बर्थडे पूजा, दिल्ली, 21 मार्च 1993। Very difficult to speak, even for me. To see so many Sahajogis sitting here with such shining faces from all over the world, as if my vision has taken its form today. I see in you the saviors of tomorrow who are going to save this world from all the Kali Yuga calamities that are surrounding us. It's coming from all sides. While you people have really taken your second birth from this pond of Kali Yuga and have really become beautiful lotuses of different colors, hues, fragrance and beauty. Instead of you celebrating my birthday, it's better I celebrate your birthdays. As I told you the other day that it is you who are such great seekers, seekers of truth, of love, that it could work out. Otherwise, it would have been impossible to even transform one person. It is very difficult. But you were so sensitive and so deep that this subtle knowledge, I don't know how it penetrated your being. It's unbelievable. I can't believe myself. What great people have taken birth in this Kali Yuga. No one can believe that there are so many saints are sitting before me, so many walis, so many nabis are sitting before me. In the history of spirituality, it has never happened. Even in the heavens, there are few devtas and devas, not so many. One better than the other. Such beautiful heart, such brilliant brains, and such active attention is really, I thank you all that this 70th birthday I could see so many people which I never expected. You know, Sahajoga started with one person. And then those who came also, out of them somewhere power oriented, money oriented, all kinds of people created problems for us. One after another, so many problems came. And also there were many who were of a very low level seekers. But I find today they have all come up beautifully. I cannot distinguish one from another the way it has happened. And the commitment you have to Sahajoga is the greatest blessings for this world. I could not do it alone, you know that. If I could do it, I would not have needed you. You are the channels, and you have to work it out further and further. It is really remarkable the way Delhi people have organized everything. First of all, everybody was very much keyed on to the 70th birthday. I don't know what was the reason, but whatever it is. And then Delhi people said, this time we are going to celebrate Mother, your birthday in Delhi. I said, everybody's on it, so be careful. It's not going to be easy. It's a big headache. So many will be coming down. But they didn't expect so much, I'm sure. People are coming, 100 are coming from there, 100 from there. I said, are you worried? They said, no, we are very happy about it. I saw their enthusiasm, their organization, the way they have done it. The best part of it, Delhi, which is a place where all kinds of politicians live, have groups and politics and all that. But in Sahajoga, in Delhi, there is no politics. There is no quarreling. There is no pulling each other's legs. It's a very remarkable thing it to happen in a place like Delhi, where every day what you hear, that even in our parliament, they are beating each other. Perhaps in this hell only, this goodness was to be born and to be manifested by Sahajogis. The knowledge of Sahajoga, as you know, is extremely, extremely subtle. And it's not easy to penetrate into the so-called people who call themselves intellectuals or who are absolutely bowed down to their conditionings. So on one side we have the masses who are ignorant, on the other side the classes who live in the frame that they have made out of their brains. Both ways I think they are extremely gross. But the way they have absorbed the subtle nectar of divinity is something unbelievable. Nobody can comprehend even that there were so many born after my birth on this earth, or some maybe before also, very few. Just after my birth, they were born here in this world to get to Sahajoga. But when I saw the world, I was shocked, more shocked than Kabira himself. I said, how will I talk to anyone about it? My family members, I didn't know how will I open the subject to them. It was impossible. So much was darkness of ignorance. How will they believe that there is really divinity? There is totality waiting for them. They all believed into some sort of a religion which had no connection with reality. And it was impossible even to envisage the method by which I could talk to them. I remember the first incident when we went to Nargol, where I had opened the Sahasrara. The first person who got realization was a Gujarati and a jeweler. Immediately, all the other, there were hardly about 35 people. They started saying that, of course, he's a rich man, he's a jeweler, so mother has given him realization. I think that's the first time and last time I really got angry. I started shouting at them. They're good for nothing, useless people, you can never take to divinity, and I had really thought that stopped me. When I have to take another life, another time, when people will understand what is such. But after that, suddenly, people started feeling the cool breeze in their hands. Immediately. After my shouting, imagine. And they said, Mother, it's working. It's working in us. It's working out of us. Thus we got 12 people. And one lady, whom I had given before also. She was the 14th. Thus, first we had only these 14 surgeons, for whom it was something out of the blue. They were all flabbergasted. They didn't know what it was. And then surprisingly, in one of our programs, a lady who was possessed by some Brahmin came and started saying, Jagadamba, Jagadamba. They couldn't understand. I never told them what I was, never. I've never told otherwise also. So then she recited a poem from Saundarya Lahari in Sanskrit language, and she was just a maid servant and in a man's voice. So everybody was shocked that the bhoots should say all these things. And then she went away. After that, these people started probing into it. And they wanted to have my puja first time in my house. Still, people were not very sure they were doing the right thing. Even the Brahmins they called, they said this Saptasadi is a very difficult puja and something will happen to us. But after the puja they said nothing happened. We are so much better. They all felt the cool breeze. And the entire atmosphere changed. They started understanding that Sahaja Yoga is the Yuga Dharma, is the one of this Yuga, this Kali Yuga. So the Sahaja Dharma became the Dharma of this Yuga. This Yuga is very difficult, no doubt. But in difficulties only we become intense seekers. And that's what happened with all of you, that you found out that everywhere people were